permutations is an ordered arrangement of objects. The number of different permutations of n distinct objects is n factorial. N factorial is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 and so on. 0 factorial is always equal to 1. Permutations of n objects taken r at a time is the number of different permutations of n distinct objects taken r at a time. So the formula is the pre-subscript n permutation subscript r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial, where r is less than or equal to n. Distinguishable permutations. The number of distinguishable permutations of n objects where n sub 1 are of another type, n sub 2 are of another type, and so on. N factorial over n sub 1 factorial times n sub 2 factorial times n sub 3 factorial and so on until n sub k factorial, where n sub 1 plus n sub 3 and so on until n sub k is equal to n. Combination. Combinations of n objects taken r at a time is a selection of r objects from a group of n objects without regard to order. So the formula is the pre-subscript n combination subscript r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial, where r is less than or equal to n. Here are some examples. Find the number of ways of forming 3-digit codes in which no digit is repeated. Solution. You need to select 3 digits from a group of 10. So the n is equal to 10 and r is equal to 3. So let's use the permutation formula where permutations of n objects taken r at a time. That is the pre-subscript of 10 permutation subscript 3 is equal to 10 factorial over 10 minus 3 factorial is equal to 10 factorial over 7 factorial. And that is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial over 7 factorial. Cancel 7 factorial and the remaining is 10 times 9 times 8 is equal to 720 ways. The second example is find the probability of being dealt 8 hearts from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Solution. In a standard deck of playing cards, 13 cards are hearts. Note that it does not matter what order the cards are selected. The possible number of ways of choosing 8 hearts out of 13 is pre-subscript 13 combination subscript 8. So let's use the combination formula. The number of possible 8 card hands is pre-subscript 52 combination subscript 8. So the probability of being dealt 8 hearts is pre-subscript 13 combination subscript 8 all over pre-subscript 52 combination subscript 8 is equal to 13 factorial over 13 minus 8 factorial times 8 factorial all over 52 factorial over 52 minus 8 factorial times 8 factorial. That is 13 factorial over 5 factorial times 8 factorial all over 52 factorial over 44 factorial times 8 factorial. So that is 154,440 over 120 all over 30,262,335,878 over 40,320. So the probability is 0.0000001